In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly log into QuickBooks Online and create, send, and track purchase orders. Whether you're managing a bustling business or just starting to streamline your operations, handling purchase orders efficiently is crucial. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to QuickBooks Online. Open your favorite web browser and type in quickbooks.intuit.com. Once you're there, sign in with your credentials. If you're not accustomed to doing this, don't worry, it's as straightforward as entering your username and password. Make sure you're using a secure connection and, just a tip, avoid public Wi-Fi for these kinds of activities to keep your financial data safe. Once you're logged in, it's time to start creating your purchase order. On the left-hand side of your QuickBooks dashboard, you'll see a menu. Here, you'll notice a button with a plus new label. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to a variety of tasks within QuickBooks, but today we're focusing on purchase orders. From the drop-down list under the Vendors category, select Purchase Order. This selection is crucial because it guides QuickBooks on what type of transaction you're about to undertake. Now, on to the fun part, crafting your purchase order. Start by selecting the vendor you're ordering from. If you've previously entered vendors into QuickBooks, just choose the correct one from the list. Next, you'll add the inventory items or services you're purchasing. It's important to ensure you accurately fill in the quantity, rate, and total for each item. This step is key for both financial accuracy and making sure your vendor knows exactly what to fulfill. If you have additional details like a specific shipping address, a preferred delivery date, or internal memos, feel free to add those too. These details can help both you and your vendor maintain clarity and smooth operations. It's always better to over-communicate up front than to encounter misunderstandings later. Once your purchase order looks good, you have a choice. If you're ready to send it out to your vendor, click on Save and Send. QuickBooks will email the purchase order directly to them. If you're not quite ready, or perhaps waiting for some final confirmation, you can opt to save and close. This will store the purchase order in your records without sending it. After you've sent or saved your purchase orders, tracking them is the next step in maintaining an organized bookkeeping system. Simply head over to the Expenses tab on the left menu, then click on Vendors, and finally select Purchase Orders. Here, you'll be able to monitor all your purchase orders, whether they're open, received, or still pending. This feature is incredibly handy for keeping tabs on what has been ordered and what still needs to be delivered. With these steps, you're not just creating purchase orders, you're enhancing your business's efficiency and financial management. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find these instructions helpful as you navigate QuickBooks Online.